Colwen, Space Squid, we're back with another treat. Let's go ahead and get you on here, and we have a cereal bar. We got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch treat bar, and I'll be picking up other ones in this line when I can, and I'll try all of them. So yeah, on the front we've got the snack bar there. We've got the cereal covered in frosting, and it's like milk cream frosting on the bottom there. Cinnamon treat bar. On the back, we got the ingredients. It is 250 calories for the whole bar, so that's kind of comparable to a candy bar. Some candy bars are worse, yes, I know. Total fat, 7 grams, 9%. Saturated fat, 3.5 grams, 17. Trans fat, 0. Cholesterol, 0. Sodium is 10% for the entire bar. So, sodium easy maybe? Aww. Total carbohydrates, 16%. Dietary fiber, 1 gram, 5%. Sugars, 22 grams. Protein, 2 grams. Vitamin D, 1 microgram, 4%. Calcium, 260 milligrams, 20%. Iron, 3 milligrams, 15. Potash, 0 milligrams. Vitamin A, 10%. C, 0. Thiamine, 20%. Riboflavin, 8%. Niacin, 10%. Vitamin B, 15. Folate, 15. 35 microgram folic acid. Vitamin B12, 30. And zinc is 15. There's all kinds of nice stuff in here. Got the ingredients here. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm sorry, guys. Ingredients: cereal, whole grain, rice flour, maltodextrin, dextrose, canola, and or sunflower, tribosavin, folate, caramel color, vitamins and minerals, iron, zinc, mineral nutrients, A, B, vitamin, niacin, vitamin B2, pyrooxychloroquine, vitamin B2, A vitamin, confectionery coating, sugar, palm kernel oil, whey powder, soy lecithin, corn syrup, rice flour, barley, malt extract, yellow lake 6, yellow 6, red 40 lake, blue 1 lake, gelatin, salt, cinnamon, natural flavor, vitamin B, vitamin A, soy lecithin, iron, zinc oxide, more vitamin B. Contains milk, wheat, and soy ingredients made by General Mills. That's pretty good. I mean, it looks like they just took a bunch of cereal stuff and smashed it together with some marshmallows and other stuff to hold it together. There's the bottom. Peels apart very nicely. It's very crunchy, but a weird kind of crunch. It's a soft, almost soggy crunch. But, no. You see all the texture up in there. All very nice and crunchy. Very cinnamony strong. It tastes like I'm eating a concentrated bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch just without any milk. Good stuff. I'm going to have to try the other ones. And you should go get some. You could get this as a king size one at A&PM. But I'm pretty sure Walmart and Target carry smaller bars in like a box for probably about $4, and you're probably going to get about 3 times more than getting the king size one. So, you know, whatever you think is better. Thank you for watching.